Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, how you all doing? Guys, today I'm just going to be creating a beginner friendly eyebrow tutorials. Okay guys, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Let's get started. So guys, for your eyebrows, you need all these products, okay, to use on your eyebrows. So for a beginner, you will be needing your flat brush, which you are going to use in blending your brows with your concealer. You need your spoolie. This is actually from a finished mascara. You need your eye pencil, or you can also use eyebrow gel. Okay, you need your blending brush, you need your concealer. So these are all the basic things you need when you want to fill your brows. Okay guys, I'm just going to show you step by step on how to get that beginner friendly eyebrow. First, I'm going to brush my brows like this. So when that is done, I'm going to move over to line my brows. So when you're lining your brows, guys, make sure that the pencil is very sharp, like the mount of the pencil where you are going to use. Make sure it's very sharp. That is how you get that perfect lining. So now that I have my pencil, I'm just going to go to the down to line like this. Then now I'm going to move over to the top and apply the same process, okay? So when you're lining your brows, try not to take it closer to the beginning so that you make the brows look a little bit natural. You can see the brows looking good even without concealer. So I'm just going to go right in the middle and fill my brows. Like, you can actually just use the eye pencil to line, then you go in with a pomade to fill the middle. So I'm just going to go right into the other side and do the same thing. So now that I have my brows done, I'm just going to go in with the spoolie and brush, okay? Try to brush the beginning so that the beginning will not be dark. So you want it to look natural. So you just have to. So now that I'm done, I'm just going to move over to highlight my brows with my concealer. So guys, to highlight my brows, I'm going to be using all the three shades of concealer I have here. They are all LA Girl. I have in the shade Cool Tan, I have in the shade Fawn, and I have in the shade Toffee. So I'm going to be using these three. I'm just going to take a little bit of the Cool Tan and a little bit of Fawn to highlight the down. Then I'm going to be using the darker one to highlight the top. Okay. When you are lining the top part of your brows, this is the point where you have to decide if you want your brows to be bold or you want your brows to be kind of thin. So it all depends on the kind of brow that suits your face, okay? Everybody, we don't use the same kind of brows. There are some people, they love it when the brows is kind of wide and bold. There are some, they like it when it's thin, okay? So it all depends on what you want, or if you also want it to be longer. Or but mind you, you don't have to draw that kind of brows that we get to this place or something, so it's going to look horrible. So in the top part of my brows, you can see the brows is really looking nice. So I'm just going to try to blend this beginning of the brows. As you can see, mine is long. I'm just going to try to take a little bit of the tail out.